Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text on WhatsApp without adding a contact. This is incredibly useful for quick, one-off messages. The primary method involves using WhatsApp's built-in click-to-chat feature, which lets you open a conversation directly from a web link. You simply need the recipient's phone number, including their country code, and a web browser on your phone or computer. While the click-to-chat method is official, some users explore third-party applications or websites. These tools typically offer a user-friendly interface where you input the phone number, and they generate the direct chat link for you. However, always exercise caution when using external services, as they might pose privacy or security risks. It is generally safer to stick with official WhatsApp features. To use the click-to-chat feature, first open any web browser on your device. In the address bar, type WA, followed immediately by the full phone number, including the country code. For example, for United States number, it would be WA, /1XXXXXXXXXX. Press enter, and a page will appear asking if you want to open WhatsApp to chat with that number. Confirm, and the chat will open. The main benefit of this approach is its efficiency for one-time interactions, preventing your contact list from becoming cluttered. It's ideal for situations like sending a quick message to a delivery driver or a service provider. Remember to always verify the phone number carefully before initiating the chat to avoid sending messages to the wrong recipient. This simple trick saves time and maintains your privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.